Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these Pilot ballpoint pens we have purchased several times because we really like them. So these are a fine tip retractable pen. This is the black color, and what I like about these are the nice slim design, and they have a little bit of texture here at the bottom, so it makes them really easy to grip, and they're very comfortable. The retractable function works really well, and the tip on this is nice and fine, so they're just really easy to write with, and I really like them. They are a refillable pen. You can just unscrew the tip here if you wanted to open them up and refill them. And these are just a really nice pen. They last a long time. They're super easy and comfortable to write with. And we always keep them on hand because they're just a good quality pen. So if you're looking for a nice quality pen that is gonna last a long time, is super comfy to write with, and if you like a pen with a fine point, this is an excellent option. I think they are really great, and that is my point of view.